Hey everybody, it's Kevin. I am going to do something very interesting to me anyway. I am going to be unboxing my special box from Bespoke.com. If you don't know what that is, it's just a box of cool mint stuff. It's on like a subscription. You basically choose what kind of boxes you like based on some preferences, and then each month they send you something appropriate, and you've got some leeway to make some changes. You don't like what's coming down the pipe, you can make a tweak, choose a different box. You can add stuff to boxes, that's pretty cool too. The box that I got, I forgot which one I ordered, and so this is going to be a bit of a mystery for me as well, and I'll show you what my box looks like. I took my label off because just didn't want to broadcast addresses and stuff like that. Bespoke.com, cool stuff. But anyway, let's get into it. Let's see what's in this box. Now I'm gonna have to get a knife or scissor type thing. I'm in the process of moving my office. If you look behind here, future videos, all different. Like in a week, moving my office about a mile away from where my current office is. And when I do that, a little bit smaller, a little bit more compact probably, but a whole lot nicer. So I'm pretty cool about the move. All right, let's get into this box. Let me readjust a little bit so that everyone can kind of see where I'm at. Excuse my tripod's kind of crappy right now. So let's move some of my other work stuff out of the way. Open. Oh yes, now I remember. So it's the Weekender box. Okay, so I get a nice little card. This box is going to be pretty mundane. Enjoy, right? So let's see how this looks. Okay, so the Weekender box is literally just this extremely cool tool bag kind of thing. Old fashioned, like a stonemason, like the kind of bag that a stonemason would have. It's sealed right now still, so I'll take it off nice and easy. It's got the hard bottom, right? Probably a particle board kind of thing inside there. It's got the buckle straps. It's got a bar here, so this truly is like the old stonemasons would carry around for tools and whatnot. Those heavy chisel-y type tools. But having a cool bag to carry is always nice. So it's got a nice label, line of trade, number. Right. Let's see what else we got. Again, my tripod is extremely sketchy. Right. That's what I get for letting my wife use it. So the bag straps up, hangs decent size. I could do Weekender stuff with this pretty easy. Durable canvas. I chose the green one. Anyway, cool little thing. Not a lot in the box. Basically just this bag. However, strappy things to go on so I can carry it on my shoulder, which is absolutely necessary for me. A lot of times I'm carrying computer gear around. Not so much masonry tools, but we'll have to get it adjusted to the right length. Let's expand it just a little bit right away. Wow. A little more adjusting than I thought. Alright, so like I said, cool bag, kind of heavy duty thing. Definitely not a millennial style like man purse thing. It's a tool bag. Anyway, enough of that. Just a simple little thing. I got to get back in the swing of doing these videos. Been neglecting it a lot. If you look on the Smoot Life channel, you'll see that a lot of my focus these days has been on my non-regular work. Here at work, I have to put everything aside and like focus all day long. But have side stuff, been basically doing a lot of reselling stuff on eBay. I find it enjoyable. I find it at least I like, I work when I want, I don't work when I don't want, list things, don't list things, it's all good. And but I'm doing all right with it. It's fun. I got some hats recently and threw them up on eBay, and they're already having lots of people check them out. I don't even have all the different models listed yet, but some cool stuff. A lot of collectibles, shirts, vintage shoes sometimes, a lot of little different things, but enjoying it. It's just nice to do your own thing, not working for a person or an organization. It's all just me. That's what I like about it more than anything. But anyway, that's enough about stuff that's going on. I'll start making some more videos very soon. I'm just going to throw this one up without a whole lot of editing or anything, and I hope you enjoy your day. It's looks wonderful here in Colorado Springs. You really just got to seize these times, where things are nice, because with the healthcare stuff going on, no one wants to be out and around other people. You got to do your own thing, and just do that. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Comments. Need subscribers. Obviously, I'm talking basically to myself these days. My kids might be subscribers, but over time, I expect to do more and more and more. Even these videos, it's all just trying to get in the swing of things. So if you like it, hit subscribe. If you think if you got some suggestions for me, things I should be looking at or doing, let me know. And comments and stuff. Keep it clean, right? All right. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.